Hello, I just completed this book. This book's name is Believe in Yourself by Dr. Joseph Murphy. The best thing if you can do, if you don't want to enroll yourself for the workshops, webinars, and courses, then best thing to do to gain the knowledge is to read books. Okay, I have started reading so many books. I got inspired by the Jay Shetty's interview once I listened to his interview, and he said that I read many books, and that's what I found, like, oh, that is the key. And I started reading books, and still since then there is no I have not stopped. Okay, I have read so many books, and not for the sake of completing all those books, but I get so many insights by reading those. And trust me, no book is same. I know Law of Attraction, there are many books, but every author had made some different, different, it expressed it different way. You will understand when you start reading books. You will come to know so many things, and you will get so many light bulb moments and insights. Okay, so do read this book. And if you want to start reading book, then the first book I will suggest is to go with the Attitude is Everything by Jeff Keller. Okay, that is a very small book, and it will change your mindset. And it is short, crisp, and those quotes are very beautiful. They will touch you, they will make you feel like something is changing within you. And the next thing to do when you are reading all those books is to get into the community where reading these books is normal thing. Okay, so I'm also planning for this kind of community where people are going to discuss what books they are reading, how many pages they are reading, and what are their takeaways from that book. So if you want to be a part of this kind of workshops, webinars, and courses, do join this group. The link is given in the description box below, and I'm waiting for you there. See you. Bye bye.